If you're flying through Atlanta, most people make the exact same mistake. They land at the busiest airport in the world and immediately eat at the first chain restaurant they see because they're afraid of getting too far from their gate. And I get why people do it. Atlanta feels massive if you don't understand it. You get off the plane, look at the signs, see a crowd moving in every direction, and your brain tells you to just stay close. That's how you end up wasting your layover standing in a ridiculous line for food you could have gotten back home. The thing people don't realize about Atlanta is that it's actually one of the easiest major airports to move through, because of the plane train. You're not trapped in your concourse. That train is fast, it's simple, and once you understand that every concourse is connected in a straight line, airport becomes way less intimidating. That matters because Atlanta is one of the few airports where it can actually be worth leaving your immediate gate area to eat somewhere better. If you have a long layover or an international connection, one flew south is probably the best sit-down option in the airport. It's in Concourse E, and this is where you go if you actually have time to sit down and eat like a normal person instead of panic ordering something next to your gate. It's upscale, it's different, and it doesn't feel like typical airport food. This is the kind of place that makes sense if your company is paying for dinner, or if you have a long enough layover that you don't want to spend it sitting at the gate staring at your phone. But don't force it. If boarding starts in 30 minutes, this is not the move. A good airport meal becomes stupid really fast if you're sprinting back to your gate afterward. If you need something quicker, Varasano's Pizzeria is a better move. It's fast, consistent, and you're not standing in one of those airport lines that somehow moves slower than TSA. This is the kind of spot that works when you want something solid without turning your layover into a whole event. You get food, you eat, you move on. That's what most people actually need at an airport. If you want something like that actually feels like Atlanta, Paschal's is the local move. Fried chicken, southern food, comfort food, feels more connected to the city than grabbing some random chain meal you could get anywhere. That's the whole point of airport food when it's done right. You're in a specific place. Eat something that at least feels tied to that place. And if your flight gets delayed, SweetWater, last cast bar and grill, is where you go instead of sitting at your gate staring at the departure board like that's going to make the plane show up faster. If you're already stuck, at least make the delay feel slightly less miserable. ATL is one of the few airports where the food options are actually worth thinking about. The biggest mistake is acting like your gate controls your entire layover. Use the plane train, know how much time you actually have, and stop eating like you're trapped in a mall food court.